Creating a WordPress blog theme for your website is easier than you might think. Since the introduction in WordPress 5.9, blog themes have been gaining great popularity. The primary evidence for this is an increasing number of pre-made options in the WordPress repository. If you're interested in crafting your custom blog theme, the Create Blog Theme plugin is here to help. This tool allows you to design a custom blog theme without extensive coding skills quickly. You can even use it to create a child theme for your site. You're on the WordPress YouTube channel. My name is Valerie, and if you're new here, welcome. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of the Create Blog Theme plugin, and I'll show you how to create your blog theme with just a few clicks. So without further ado, let's get started. As a WordPress beginner, you might have shied away from building custom themes, assuming it required complex coding. With full-site editing, you can now customize your entire website, but exporting your custom designs not long ago took a lot of work. And since WordPress 6.0, users finally got a powerful solution: the ability to export a full theme as a zip archive. How to export a theme using the core WordPress functionality I showed in this video. If you're interested in that, please check out the tutorial. But luckily, the Create Blog Theme plugin offers more customization options, and today I'll show you how to use them to create a custom theme. The Create Blog Theme plugin is an official first-party tool maintained by WordPress contributors. It's often a testing ground for the new theme export ideas before they are integrated into WordPress. This plugin offers more options for exporting your theme than what is available in core WordPress. Moreover, the plugin is free. To get started, log into your WordPress dashboard. Before we use the plugin to create a blog theme, you must first install and activate a parent blog theme. Using the WordPress theme directory, you can choose over 100 options. Just click on the Blog Themes tab and apply the site editing filter. And once you find a blog theme you like, you should install and activate it. For this tutorial, we're going to use the Prime FSC theme. The next step is to install the Create Blog Theme plugin. There are a few ways to install a WordPress plugin, but this one can be easily installed from the dashboard. Start by navigating to Plugins, Add New in the WordPress dashboard. Enter Create Blog Theme in the search box. Once the page refreshes, select the plugin and click Install Now. Once installed, just activate the plugin. Now that the plugin has been installed and activated, navigate to Appearance, Create Blog Theme. There are 4 options the plugin provides you to get started. So you can export a zip file, create a blank theme, or create a clone of the current activated theme, or create a child theme. To have even more options, I enter the editor and wait for it to load. There have been a few quality of life improvements to the Create Blog Theme plugin throughout the WordPress 6.3 and 6.4 releases, and there is now a new range icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon reveals all available options, and this means that you no longer have to save your changes in the site editor and then go all the way back to the main Create Blog Theme page to save or export your theme. And I think it's a really great improvement when you can do everything from one interface. It's very handy. So now let's go over all the possible options. So you can save the current changes to the theme files. You have the option to save the global styles changes as a theme variation. You can edit the theme metadata, like the theme name or a theme description, for example. It's possible for you to inspect theme.json for the current theme too. And you can export your theme as a zip file. And finally, you can create a new theme. It can be a blank theme with no styles or templates, or it can be a theme based on your current changes, or you can create a new child theme with the active theme as a parent with your changes. So this is a quick walkthrough, and now let's move on to the practice. Let's start with exporting the current theme. Similar to the export feature of the site editor, this option also allows you to export the active theme along with your custom changes. It includes templates, global styles, fonts, and other structural changes. With this feature, you can export the theme and use it on other WordPress installations while preserving all your settings. The file will be downloaded as a zip file to your downloads folder, just like any other WordPress theme. This feature is useful when you want to use a customized theme independently or submit it to the theme directory. You'll need to update the theme name and metadata accordingly. Don't forget about this. Before moving to the next option, let's take a look at the templates in my theme. As you can see, the list of templates contains both templates provided by my theme and custom ones, including those that I edit myself. Any changes made and saved in the site editor are stored in the database, which is lost when we change our theme. And these kinds of user changes are not reflected in the theme's template or template parts markup. Also, if we go to styles, we see that I use not default, but the lavender option. So now I want to show you how you can save changes to the currently active theme. We can save fonts, styles, and template changes. So process only modified templates option is checked by default too, and you can put a tick on more options like localize text and images, or for example remove navigation refs. And 1 second please, I just realized that I forgot to show you my template parts. Most of the Prime FSC template parts have been customized and edited, and I've also added custom ones. So after saving changes, I'll check them too. So now I click on the Save Changes button and then on the OK button and wait until the editor reloads. When you overwrite your blog theme, all user changes will be saved and converted to theme changes. Any templates you create or style changes you make will be saved into the theme files, making them a permanent part of the theme. As you see now, the lavender variation has been the default one. Now let's take a look at the templates. So look at the author, please. You see the difference. And finally, template parts. This overwrite option is really handy if you want to save customization permanently in the current theme. But remember, once overwritten, You cannot revert your changes from the site editor. Otherwise, you'll have to update your code editor manually or repeat the customization. Now, by clicking Create Theme, I have two choices. So first, I'm going to create a clone of my current theme. This feature creates a new copy of the currently active theme, incorporating any modifications made by the user. The cloned theme will include all assets from the original theme, along with the user's customizations. You'll need to provide at least a theme name. You can also add description, theme URI, author, and author URI. Next, I'm ready to push the Create Theme button. Okay. Then, by going to Appearance Themes, we see that the clone of the theme is already activated on the site. So if we compare cloning to exporting, exporting is primarily for transferring or backing up theme settings and customizations across different WordPress sites. Cloning is for creating a duplicate within the same site for testing or modification purposes. So, exported themes are typically used on different WordPress installations, while cloned themes remain within the same site. So, in essence, exporting is about portability and backup, while cloning is about replication and modification within the same WordPress environment. Both processes can be valuable depending on your specific needs within your WordPress theme. We see all the templates are in place. Moreover, all patterns are in place too, including ones from the My Patterns folder. Moving on to the template parts to ensure everything is fine with them as well. Great. Now I want to activate my original theme. Just a second. And after this, I'm going to create a child theme. This option allows you to create a child theme based on your current parent theme. Before generating the child theme, make sure to provide a theme name and optionally description, URI, author information, and author URI. After clicking the Create Child Theme button, again, click OK. The plugin will automatically create your child theme and it will be activated on your site. Child themes are useful when you want to make minor customizations and continue using the parent theme with future updates. This means that when the parent theme updates, your customizations remain intact because they're not directly affected by the update process. And this is crucial to maintain the integrity of your website and ensure that your customizations don't get overwritten. And finally, when you select the Create Blank Theme option, before generating your new theme, make sure to give it a name. Actually, only the name field is required. We already know all other fields are optional, but still. A blank theme will be created within your website's theme directory. Right after reloading, you'll see something different from what you saw before. So it's a basic starting point. There are no styles. And the templates folder contains a starter index.html template file. The template parts folder includes header.html and footer.html templates. Now you're free to customize and build upon it to create a fully functional theme tailored to your specific needs. So, to sum up, creating a unique website design used to be a complex task, especially for WordPress beginners without coding skills. However, with the site editor and the Create Block Theme plugin, this process is now much simpler. The Create Block Theme plugin makes it easy to create a block theme, and today we explored how to use the plugin to enhance your website design. The plugin allows you to create an entire theme without writing any code or ever having to touch template files. So simplicity and flexibility are at your fingertips with this powerful tool. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss our latest tutorials. On top of that, you can always dive deeper into blog themes and full site editing with a dedicated playlist on our channel. Check it out, please, too. Let's build beautiful websites together. If you have any questions about creating your first blog theme in WordPress, let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.